I'm Rod Kirkwood, and this is my classic car shop built by Spane Buildings. I wanted a place that was done well, would last for a long time, and had all the amenities that I expected in a shop, and so this is the Cadillac of all shops. Well, it was excellent. I was a contractor for 45 years, worked with lots of general contractors and others, and Spane was one of the best I had ever had to work with. They were right on task, they did a great job, never had to question what they were doing, and everything was taken care of properly and on time. Well, this was done because the house that is next to us here, which is our weekend home or our summer home, doesn't have enough space for my kids and grandkids, and so we built a full apartment on the top floor up there. And it's a first-class apartment to make it something that would be really pleasant and nice to come and visit. Being able to get out here and do what I want to do by myself, and my wife thinks it's great because it's like me going to work. I leave in the morning and I come back out at the end of the day. I'd say it's 100% of my expectations and probably even better than that. It turned out better than I thought it would. So I'm real happy with it.
You called it your doghouse. What did you mean by that?
Well, when I get into, if I get into any trouble for any reason, after 53 years of marriage, why, I can go out here and hide out.